Yeah, family and friends. You know it's Rastafari soldier again. Yeah, I'm in line and you know I'm bustling. Of course, I'm traveling. Yeah, and if you can look at this now. 9/11 passed, and these Europeans still stripping people down. And the people them are such a ass, they're gonna keep doing it. 22 years later. So that's why I'm leaving. Today, they should be arresting the president, the ex-president, Donald Trump. And it appears it's gonna happen. But it's a shame that we have to still take off our shoes, take off our belt. During the pandemic, they took all of our DNA by digging out our nose. And now they're currently taking our voice example for vocal recognition. I just passed the sign by 2025, everyone needs a real ID, one ID. So this is all about biometrics. See, as long as certain European ruling, the rest of the European them don't care. The Rasta is here schooling. As long as they controlling, they're good to go. Yeah. See them full up all the black woman. Look how much people in the place. And one black woman have on the mask. They believe that bullshit too. They believed it. See, nobody not complaining that where did COVID go? Yeah. You see, every 20 years, the United States government does that to the population because it's got to be the dumbest population.